Today we turn these beef cuts and various beef bones into a delicious modernist beef stock. Stick around to find out how. Hello everyone, I'm Anthony, the eclectic chef. Welcome back again to my kitchen. Well, today we're going to talk about beef stock, modernist beef stock, because we cooked it in a pressure cooker. Now, stock, why should you care? Because honestly, if you can't make great stock, you can't make great sauces or great dishes that rely on them. We've already got a vegetable stock on the playlist. I've got a good chicken stock in the playlist. I'll have a world-beating chicken stock for you in a couple of weeks, but today it's beef. So stick around, it isn't hard, and you'll elevate your cooking beyond where you thought you could, quite frankly, if you start using homemade stocks. With that, thank you for watching. Let us know what you think, or if you have any questions in the comments section. I enjoy reading them all, and I thank you for taking the time to send them. And with that, before we get started, if you like this, I'd very much appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And again, we appreciate your time. So let's get started on the beef stock. Here's our good rich beef stock fixings. Before we put the final layer of bones on the top here and get it going. In the bottom, we've got, these are beef feet. Here we've got 2 beef shank cross cuts. And I'm going to layer a couple of pieces of marrow bone and some other bones on top of this, and we'll get them going for 3 hours in the Instant Pot on high pressure. I've actually been browning the bones in the Ninja air fryer. I've taken it out on the patio. It's going to be extremely hot here today, and heating up the kitchen is just not a very good idea. So here we are, folks, with the last layer of bones added, and a couple of tablespoons of cider vinegar to really help us leach minerals out of the pieces of bone. We'll have this for 3 hours, and that'll give me time to get these bones in a trash bag for when the dustbin man comes tomorrow. So here we are, everyone, with our modernist beef stock after it's been in the fridge for a couple of days. This jug keeps getting condensation on it, that's why it looks a little cloudy. Look at that beautiful white fat cap. I'm going to put this down on the counter so we can change the viewpoint, and let's just talk about it for a minute. As we noted just now, this fat cap's delightfully white. Under normal circumstances, and especially with the current enthusiasm for beef tallow, in England I think this would be called dripping, I'd keep it and use it in cooking, but as I recently just got a large tub of Wagyu beef tallow, I'll probably regretfully throw it away. Let me know in the comments what you would do with this fat cap after you've broken it to get at the beef stock underneath. This beef stock, which was mixture, remember, of meat and bones, should be deliciously tasty and rich, and in fact I'll be using some of it later today, making a delicious quick ragu sauce. Having removed the fat cap, I just want to show you how gelatinous this stock is. It's a solid. Now it will quickly liquefy. It's also quite clear, as you can see, for a stock that was made in a pressure cooker. But this is all the gelatin from the bones, the connective tissue. This stock's going to be a hugely nutritious addition to any sauce, stew, and I can't wait to get some into my ragu today. Having looked at how gelatinous this stock is, can you imagine how much more nutritious this is than the watery stuff that comes from the cartons you buy at the supermarket?